Hello team, welcome back to another video for Tire Base. In this video we're going to see the procedure on how to create products. This is the manual procedure basically to create a product. This is a one by one creation of product process. So if you want to do that creation of a product, what you have to do is you have to go to the products and services section. Okay, and as you can see we're going to have the products module here, and we're going to go to the add button here. All right, so in this case we're going to start creating our product. We're going to put all of the information in here. Okay, now that we have all of the information in here, as you can see, already added the manufacturer product number here. And first of all, what you have to do and consider here is what type of product you're going to add. So in this case, if we go to tires, the system is going to give us all of the information that we need to fill in for tires. And from here you can select either tires, wheels, or parts. These are the three categories we currently have. And you can use each one of these accordingly to your product's specs. So in this case we select the tires. We're going to put a manufacturer product number. Normally here it would be better if we put the correct manufacturer product number of the tire. If you have that, you can put that in there. But also you can put any sort of product manufacturer product number, a customizable one if you want to call it like that. But basically the disclaimer in here would be, if you put the correct manufacturer product number, the system automatically, if we have that tire in the Tire Base catalog, the system is going to fill in all of the information that we have in here. And sometimes not all of it, but most of it is going to be filled in. So make sure if you have the correct manufacturer product number, put that in here. And if you don't, it's okay. You can also use a custom one, but the system is not going to fill in all of this information automatically. Just keep that in mind. Also, whenever if you don't have the brand here, you can also just select it from here, but type it in this case, and you can search by brand. If you don't find your brand in this section, you can also go ahead and click the plus button here, so you can create a brand from scratch. In this case, we selected a Boltar tires. This is going to be my brand. And by style, if you don't find the style, or if you want to add a style, it would be the same. You just click the plus button here, type in the name of the style, and then you link the brand. In this case, I'm going to put here Boltar, so it can be linked to that Boltar. Basically, what I did is I put here, I placed here the name of the style, and then I clicked the Boltar tire, so it can be linked. Basically, in this case, so this is my style, Maxi LT Expedition. And by category, it works also the same. If you don't find it here, your category, you can also create it from scratch by clicking the plus button here. But with that being said, I'm just going to turn off this option so we can see only the options that needs to be added here. All right, so we have the last cost is on 0. That's not going to happen until we create a purchase order for the product. Also, if I put the standard cost here, the system is going to allow me to create the last cost basically. But in here, we're going to put the standard cost if you want to. If you don't, you can also leave that in blank. In here, this is the, well, in this case, this is mandatory. Sorry, I apologize for that. So you need to put this standard cost in this case if you want to create the product from scratch. Also, the FET in this case we put placed 250 basically, and this is going to be the FET if you want to put that also in this section. For tire width and aspect ratio and rim diameter, we just put the values as you can see here. You don't need to put the slash and the R here. The system is going to generate the size correctly in this section. So if you want to put any LT, any other characters next to them here, what you can do is you can just select here. So if it's 16, 18, you can also do this. Okay, you can also put here LT, and the system is going to create that size name correctly as you need it basically. If you make any modifications on top here, the system is going to take those modifications and is going to create a new size in this case. So we're just going to leave it 55. I'm just going to put here LT. I'm just going to put here 18, just like that. And we're just going to create that size. As you can see, we already customized that. And we can make modifications also on the initial stock. So if you want to start with a specific stock, you can just put it in here. So this is your initial stock, and then from that point, the system is going to start taking or putting any units depending on the purchases and work orders you generate for this product specifically. Yeah, so the show advanced options basically is going to give you more options to fill in if you want to. But as you can see, the ones that have the asterisk here are the ones that are the most important ones, and we need to put those in here if we want to proceed with the creation of the product. Also, at the bottom, you're going to be able to see a lot of fields where you can put information from the product. In here, mileage warranty. We also have the load index section in here, and the speed rating. So basically, you can put all that information in here if you didn't find it basically at the moment when you selected the product here. But anyways, we're just going to close this up and we're going to create this product. I'm just going to copy the manufacturer product number so we can look for it. I'm just going to click save. The system is already going to create that product and we can start searching for that. So as you can see, the product has already been created. Whenever you click on the stock section, the system is going to give you the initial stock, as you can see. And if we enter here the unit tracking report, the system is going to give us what's the first status for this product. So this is the creation of the product, and we started with 200 units. So here's the available. Basically, the balance is going to be the same. We don't have any committed units. And from here, we can just confirm basically that we created those 200 units for that product. From here, we can have all of the information of the product. As you can see, this is the brand. We have the style here. There's the manufacturer product number, and also we have the size as we customized it basically from the size field option. And whenever you hover here on the 150, basically we created the standard cost, which was 120. The last cost is going to be 120 as well, and the average cost is going to be 120. So from this point, if we generate a PO, the system is going to interact with the last cost, and it's also going to interact with the average cost. The standard cost is going to be the same. We're going to keep that the same. If you want to make any modifications, you can always go here into the edit section and just modify your standard cost if you want to. Also, another point to just make sure here in this section, you can also select the edit fixed prices option here. And what this is going to do is it's going to take this manufacturer product number or this product specifically, and it's going to interact with all of the prices basically that we have here, price levels. So you can put what's going to be the fixed price for each one of these price levels, and you can do that in just one page, as you can see here. So once you put the information, if you want to make any modifications here, if you put here 160, let's just say 50, just click enter, and the system is going to update automatically that fixed price. So whenever we look for this product with this price level, the system is going to display 160 with 50 basically. And yeah, basically this is how you can create a product from scratch. Also, if you want to create a tire or a wheel, the system is going to change basically the parameters here, and for parts it's going to be less information that we need to put in here, but it works the same. You just need to follow the steps or the fields that are with the asterisk. So these are the mandatory ones. But this is how you can create products, and this is how you can do that one by one. If you want to make any creation of products in bulk, that's going to be for data migration, but that's in another video, and you can also confirm that if you want to look for that in the knowledge base for Tire Base. Let me know if you have questions regarding this procedure, and have a great day.